Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up your lock screen, or you can just press power button and then you can just tap on the screen to wake up your device, and then just hold down your finger somewhere at your lock screen, just like that. You can use your Face ID to be able to do that, and that shows you all your saved lock screens at your device. You can easily select them, and right from here you can delete any lock screen that you want. Just select it and then swipe up to show up that trash icon. Just hit on that and then select delete this wallpaper. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.